Imagine two 17-year-olds. Same school, same part-time job, same paycheck. 5 years later, one is stressed, broke, and saying, "I swear money just disappears." The other, calm, has savings, not rich, just stable. Here's the twist. The difference wasn't income. It was 5 simple rules. Not investing in crazy stocks, not starting $1 million business, just minimalist money habits. Today, I'm giving you the exact rules that keep your life financially steady, even if you're making minimum wage, doing DoorDash, or getting birthday money from grandma. And if you follow them now, your future self will thank you loudly.
Let me tell you about past you and future you. Past you is standing at the mall. New sneakers drop, your phone buzzes. Limited edition. Past you whispers, "It's fine, I'll figure it out later." Future you is in the corner like, "Please, I'm begging you, stop." Here's the tension. Why do so many people struggle with money even when they're smart? Because they complicate it. They think stability comes from knowing the stock market, crypto trends, or fancy budgeting apps. No, stability comes from simple rules repeated over and over. Minimalist money isn't about being cheap, it's about removing chaos. And chaos is what destroys most people's finances. Let's remove it.
Spend less than you make, always. This sounds obvious, but most adults fail at this. If you make $200 this week and spend $210, you're telling your future self, you deal with it. That's how credit card debt starts. Example, you get paid Friday. By Tuesday, your balance is low because of snacks, random online buys, rides, subscriptions. You didn't buy anything huge, just everything small. Here's your rule. Before you spend, ask, will I still feel good about this in 48 hours? Look at your last 5 purchases. Circle the ones you don't even remember making. That's where your stability is leaking. Minimalist money says fewer, better purchases, not more.
Build a don't panic fund. You don't need $10,000. Start with $100, then $300, then $500. This is not vacation money. This is not concert tickets money. This is your "my car broke down and I'm not freaking out" fund. Think of it like a shield in a video game. When something hits you, boom, shield absorbs it. Without it, game over. You borrow, you stress, you spiral. From your next paycheck, take 10%. Immediately move it somewhere you won't casually touch. Even if it's $15, small shields still protect.
Avoid lifestyle creep. This one is sneaky. You get a raise, you work more hours, you start making more money, and suddenly your spending grows too. Better clothes, more takeout, upgraded everything. It feels deserved, but here's the trap. If your spending rises every time your income rises, you'll always feel broke, no matter how much you earn. Example, you used to survive on $300 a month. Now you make $600 and spend $600. That's not growth. That's treadmill living. When your income increases, freeze your lifestyle for 3 months. Pretend you're still making your old amount. Save the difference. That gap, that's power.
Don't finance your ego. Let's talk about the real pressure. Instagram, Snap, TikTok. Everyone looks rich. New car, designer hoodie, trips. But here's what you don't see. Payments, debt, stress. Minimalist money says, don't borrow to look successful. Because looking successful and being stable are 2 very different things. Friend says, "Bro, just put it on a credit card." You say, "Nah, I like sleeping peacefully." That's the vibe. If you can't buy it twice in cash, wait. That pause alone will save you thousands over time. Make money boring. This might be the most important one. Boring money wins. Not flashy, not dramatic. Boring. You save automatically. You don't constantly check balances. You don't panic invest. You don't chase trends. You repeat simple habits. Think about brushing your teeth. You don't debate it daily. You just do it. Money should feel the same. Pick one day per week to check your finances. Not every hour, not randomly at 2 a.m. Control reduces anxiety, and anxiety causes bad money decisions.
Pitfalls and misconceptions. Let's clear a few things up. Mistake number 1. I'm young. I'll figure it out later. Later turns into 25, then 30. Then, how did this happen? Starting small now beats starting big later. Mistake number 2. I deserve this. Yes, you do. But you deserve stability more than a temporary dopamine hit. Future peace greater than short-term flex. Mistake number 3. I don't make enough to save. If you can save $5, you can build the habit. Habits matter more than amounts in the beginning. Mistake number 4. Thinking minimalist means miserable. No, it means intentional. You can still buy things you love. You just cut the junk that doesn't matter. Practical rules you can start today. Here's your minimalist money checklist. Spend less than you earn, no exceptions. Save 10% of every dollar that touches your hands. Build a $500 emergency fund before upgrading your lifestyle. Wait 48 hours before non-essential purchases. Increase savings when income increases. Never borrow to impress people. Simple. Not easy, but simple. And simple works. Financial stability isn't about being rich, it's about control. When your money stops controlling you, your stress drops, your options increase, your confidence grows. Minimalist money is freedom. Start small, stay consistent, protect future you. And if this helped, share it with someone who keeps saying, I'm always broke. Let's build a generation that's calm about money, not confused by it.